I started by seeing speed videos one by one slowly, and then during mid-March to April, like that 1 month, I completely revised with the QBanks and everything. Similar strategy only, sir. Videos, QBanks, and GT, sir. 6 to 8 months of preparation or studying entire Greenberg is, I don't think it is necessary unless until you aim for 1, 2, 3 rank. That's it.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Adithya for scoring AML 21, CML 20 in MCh Neurosurgery Super Speciality in NEES April 2026. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Great, wonderful. Now, can we know your brief background history, where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yes, sir. I finished my MS General Surgery in ESA sir, Chennai, and I am currently doing SRship in ESA sir, Bond, sir.
Oh, very good. So excellent. ESI KKNR, fantastic. Central institution, fantastic. So, can we know the interest towards neurosurgery started when, and when you started looking at it?
It was a very long back, sir, but recently, around when I was in second year, I assisted a case with Protect Roser from MMC, Dr. Shyamla. It was a case of meningioma. Ma'am, let me open clinic. They do the burr rolls, open the skull, and we dissected the meningioma itself. It's been 2 years since that case, and I have done many other cases also, but I didn't get the feel of opening the skull in anywhere else, sir. So I thought I might be good in neurosurgery, so I am entering here, sir.
Excellent. Very nice. Doctor, what was your preparation strategy? What did you work? How did you work to get this?
It's been I started my preparation in mid-February, sir. I started by seeing speed videos one by one slowly, and then during mid-March to April, like that 1 month, I completely revised with the QBanks and everything. Similar strategy only, sir. Videos, QBanks, and GT, sir.
Fantastic, great, really nice. Doctor, can we know how many questions did you attend? Can you tell something on the paper distribution of questions?
Yes, sir. Distribution of questions. The neurosurgery question paper, I found it was actually this time easy only, sir. Anyone with the basic neurosurgery prepared for around 60 days can attempt definitely 40 questions. Out of 80, 40 he can definitely answer. After 40, it will become tough, sir. So question paper as such, it was like 60 to 70% is easy only, easy to moderate. And then 30% is moderate to tough, sir. There are around 5 to 10 questions I know that no one is going to answer. I just left that question, sir.
Okay, great. Doctor, what will be a message for the future aspirants?
Nothing, sir. Like neurosurgery as such, when I looked into 2 to 3 papers, it was actually easy only, sir. If we studied for 75 to 90 days, it can actually crack, sir. 6 to 8 months of preparation or studying entire Greenberg is, I don't think it is necessary unless until you aim for 1, 2, 3 rank. That's it.
Great. Doctor, time to thank and whom all you wish to thank that they helped you from day one till date in your career. You can use the platform to.
Yes, sir. I like to thank my batchmates, Dr. Nikita, Dr. Nagarjuna, Dr. Devesh and Kanan sir for helping out in my post-graduation days. And during my SRship, Dr. Nikita motivated me in this preparation, along with my co-SRs who took up my work, Dr. Yoga Priya and my assistant, Dr. Dinesh sir, and my HOD who granted me leave for 1 month, Dr. Bonavadi ma'am. That's all, sir.
Great.